Hi there, students. Atrophy, a verb and a noun. So to atrophy, to deteriorate, to get smaller, to become less strong, to waste away. Let's see, the first meaning of this is linked to our bodies. So if we are ill and in bed for a long time, then our muscles atrophy. Yeah, they get smaller. Yeah, because of lack of use. Yeah. So a person who is paralyzed suffers from muscular atrophy. There you go as a noun. But we use this also to talk about something that wastes away, something that becomes less. So if you don't use your English, after some time it will begin to atrophy. It will begin to disappear. It will get rustier and rustier, and you'll remember less and less of it. Okay, so to atrophy, yeah, to waste away. I think maybe, decadence is causing moral atrophy within our society. Yeah, a wasting away of it. Okay, so to cause to wither, to waste away, to starve, to weaken, something like that. So yes, the in in the 19th century, the Liberal Party were extremely powerful. But during the 20th century, their power atrophied. It withered away. It became less. It became less powerful. So to gradually decrease in effectiveness because something is underused or because something is neglected. So if you don't use your imagination, it can atrophy because you're just not using it. Yeah? Or just the physical idea. He has been in bed for a long time and the muscles in his leg are starting to atrophy. Yeah, they're starting to waste away, to get weaker. Yeah, to decline, to fade. Yeah. So as with anything, English, you need to practice it, otherwise it's going to atrophy. Maybe we should review the atrophied state state of our political system. Yeah. Yeah. So to degeneration. He spent the whole weekend lying on the sofa watching TV and atrophying. Yeah, just wasting away, doing nothing. Yeah, that's quite a lot more metaphorical. Yeah. Okay, so the decline of something. Yeah. There is our freedom, I think, is slowly atrophying because we're not complaining about the progressively more intrusive things that are in our society. You need to use your mind, otherwise your independence of thought will atrophy. Yeah, it will waste away. And this is the idea of atrophy. Okay, formality. Yeah, this is a reasonably formal word. I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. I don't think I would use it in an informal conversation. To waste away. Yeah. Use it in a semi-formal writing. What about a semi-formal conversation? Just about. Okay, so semi-formal and formal writings. And let's see, this is one of these words that comes from French, which comes from Latin, which comes from ancient Greek. Atrophia, a wasting away. Atrophos, underfed, unnourished, from a, not, and trophy, nourishment. So, from Greek. So, don't let your English atrophy. Watch one of my videos every day. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Atrophy.